What's up guys, it's Albert from Muffin Group. In today's tutorial, I would like to refresh the video about creating a one-page website. A lot of things have changed since the old video was created, and I noticed that this topic is asked quite often. In this video, I will use the developer mode of the BeBuilder because I honestly admit that I haven't loved any tool so much in a long time. It is absolutely perfect in its simplicity, and I use it better than anything else I've ever used. If you haven't had a chance to check out this version of BeBuilder, I invite you to watch the video where I discussed everything in details. I will leave you the link to the video in the left top corner, but also down there in the description, so you can watch it anytime. If for some reason you think you prefer to watch tutorials and classic mode of the BeBuilder, just let me know in the comment section. Without extending this introduction, let's move on to the actual content of this video. In this tutorial, I will be working on one of the pre-built websites, BeBuilder 5. First of all, let's start with the page. We want to be one page. The first thing you need to do is go to the page options and under Options subtab, enable One Page option. As soon as this is done, we can move to the page content. One of the reasons I like developer mode is that the layer navigator works so well with it. Thanks to it, without looking at the section settings, I can see which sections have what ID, which is necessary to create a one page. For example, the third section has About ID. This ID name already came with demo import, but you can change it to any you like. However, it is very important to remember that IDs must be unique on a given page. Do never duplicate them under any circumstances because it will not work. I encourage you to watch another video entitled Do Never Again Use Same IDs, where I explain why is it so important. I will leave you the link to that video in the left top corner as well. By clicking on a given section, either from the layer navigator or content level, you can go to the Advanced Custom tab where our unique ID have to be set. As you can see, in this case, it's About, and it's the same you already saw in the layer navigator. This ID will tell you the right menu item where to scroll after clicking on the right menu item, what I will show you later. Let's switch to another section, BeBuilder 5 menu. And if we will go to the Advanced Custom tab, we will see exactly this ID. The same applies to other sections like Gallery, Reviews or Contact. That's it when it comes to assigning IDs to sections in the content. As you can see, it's quite simple. Let's now go to the menu, the place from where we will be linking to the appropriate section after clicking the appropriate menu item. To do this, go to the Appearance Menus tab from WordPress dashboard level. After expanding the options for a given menu item, you will have many fields available. What we are interested in at the moment is the URL. Here, all we have to do is set the right ID for menu item. We already set in the content for specific section. So, as it's about menu item, we have to set #about. It is very important to precede the ID name with a hashtag sign here. Otherwise, our one page won't work. Exactly the same way, do it for the other menu items. As soon as IDs are assigned for menu items, hit Save Menu button. Basically, we already have everything. That is, we have set the IDs for the sections in the content and assigned these IDs to the items in the menu. For this demo, header was built with Header Builder, so I will just show you how I set this menu. For that, I have to go to Templates from WordPress dashboard level and hit Edit with BeBuilder button to edit right header template. I put this menu right here. The reason why I came here is to show you how I've linked home icon to the top of the page in case you want to have the same item. So for that, I have added icon element and uploaded custom icon image. And for the link field, I set #HomeID. This is default ID always when the header is built with Header Builder to link whatever you want to the top of the page. So remember not to use this ID anywhere in the content as it's already reserved for the top of the page when one page option is active. Let's view the page now in front end and see how it works. As soon as we start clicking menu items, we will be taken to the right sections we just set. And like said, home icon will take us to the top of the page. It's that simple. Hope you like this video, and from now on, creating one pages will be way much easier and pleasant. If you like this video, I encourage you to watch another video where I shown best things we've added in latest 27.2 update. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffinggroup.com.